Now you can make your photos look their best and turn them into creative keepsakes, all within Photoshop Elements. Just choose your favorite photo, then hit File, Order Prints, Fujifilm Prints and Gifts. You can choose from home decor, device cases, drinkware, prints, wall art, and more. Pick what you'd like to print, adjust it to your liking, and send in your order. Adorable! With over 140 options to choose from, it's easier than ever to turn your favorite photos into cherished keepsakes.